Imagine this, it's 2026. You walk into your house after a long day and the place looks spotless. The floors are shining, the windows are crystal clear, and even the walls look freshly polished. You didn't hire a cleaner and you definitely didn't do it yourself. Instead, a fleet of quiet, intelligent robots handled it all while you were out. Welcome to the future of home cleaning, where robotics go far beyond Roombas and vacuum bots. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're re-exploring one of the most underrated revolutions in smart home tech, robotics for cleaning. But this time, we're going beyond just floor robots. We're talking about AI-powered machines that clean walls, windows, ceilings, furniture, and even entire buildings. In 2026, cleaning is no longer a chore. It's a fully automated, intelligent system. Let's rewind a bit. When the first Roomba launched in the early 2000s, it was groundbreaking, a little robot that could clean floors on its own, but as convenient as it was, it had limits. It couldn't climb walls, clean windows, or reach tight corners. Fast forward to 2026, and robotic cleaning has become an ecosystem of specialized, smart, and highly capable machines that handle every surface in your home, from the floor to the ceiling. So, how did we get here? It all starts with AI navigation and multi-surface robotics. The latest generation of cleaning robots use a combination of LiDAR mapping, computer vision, ultrasonic sensors, and adaptive learning. These systems allow robots to identify surfaces, detect dirt levels, and adjust cleaning modes automatically. Whether it's a glossy window, a painted wall, or a marble floor, the robot knows exactly what cleaning pressure and tools to use. One of the most impressive categories in 2026 is the robotic window cleaner. Companies like Ecovacs, Hobot, and Samsung have released AI-driven window bots that attach themselves to glass using powerful suction or magnetic grips. These bots move intelligently in grid patterns, avoiding edges and obstacles, while using microfiber pads and water jets to remove dirt and streaks. Some even use UV sterilization to kill bacteria on glass surfaces, a feature that became popular in the post-pandemic era. Then there are the wall cleaning robots. Yes, you heard that right. These machines use advanced adhesive or vacuum suction systems that let them scale walls vertically, removing dust, smudges, and even graffiti. They're powered by high-precision AI that can identify different wall textures, paint, tile, brick, or wallpaper, and adjust their cleaning methods accordingly. In large spaces like offices and malls, they can cover hundreds of square feet in minutes, replacing hours of manual labor. By 2026, even ceiling and air vent cleaning robots have entered the market. These bots can climb, cling, and hover using drone-like propellers, cleaning fans, vents, and lighting fixtures that humans often can't reach safely. With sensors and cameras, they scan for cobwebs, dust, and allergens, ensuring cleaner air quality indoors. But the real magic of these robots isn't just in their mechanics, it's in their intelligence. The latest cleaning systems are connected through AI-based home management networks. This means your vacuum bot, window cleaner, and air purifier all communicate with each other. The system can coordinate schedules. For example, the floor bot waits until the wall bot finishes before starting its round, avoiding collisions and optimizing workflow. It's a level of coordination inspired by industrial robotics, but now available for homes. One of the biggest innovations in 2026 is self-maintaining robots. Many cleaning bots can now empty their dustbins, wash their cleaning pads, refill their own water tanks, and even return to charge automatically. Some high-end models, like the Ecovacs D-Bot Omni X2 or Hobot Glass Pro 2026, come with base stations that act as full maintenance hubs, cleaning, drying, and recharging the robots after every cycle. And if you think this tech stops at home, think again. Commercial cleaning robots are transforming skyscrapers and public spaces. In cities like New York, Tokyo, and Dubai, autonomous robots are now cleaning the exteriors of glass towers, using suction grips and smart mapping to operate safely at high altitudes. These robots are equipped with AI vision systems that can detect cracks, stains, or damage, helping with building maintenance as well. Eco-friendliness has also become a core focus. Modern cleaning robots use minimal water and biodegradable solutions. and many are powered by solar charging systems or energy-efficient batteries. Some even recycle the water they use for cleaning through built-in filtration units, reducing waste dramatically. Now, let us talk about a few standout models in 2026. The Hobot Glass Pro 2026, an AI-powered window cleaner with adaptive suction and weather resistance, perfect for outdoor glass. The Ecovacs Dbot X2 Omni Plus, a multi-surface cleaner capable of vacuuming, mopping, and even wall spot cleaning. And the Wallbot Sentry, designed for commercial and residential wall maintenance. It can climb, clean, and even paint touch-ups automatically. These are just a few examples of how advanced robotic cleaning has become. In 2026, cleaning is no longer about effort, it's about orchestration. Your entire cleaning system runs like a symphony of robots working together, guided by AI. The moment you leave home, your robots get to work, vacuuming floors, wiping walls, polishing windows, and purifying air. When you return, everything is spotless and you didn't lift a finger. But beyond comfort and convenience, this evolution has a deeper impact. Smart cleaning robotics are reshaping industries, creating safer work environments, and improving hygiene standards worldwide. They're especially valuable in hospitals, schools, and public spaces, where cleanliness and precision truly matter. So, what does the future hold? In the next few years, we may see modular cleaning robots, bots that can transform shape or attach to each other for bigger tasks. Imagine one robot that can switch from floor cleaning to window scrubbing just by swapping attachments. With advancements in AI and material science, that future is closer than we think. So here's the question, will robots completely take over home cleaning in the next decade? Or will humans still prefer that personal touch of doing it themselves? Either way, one thing's for sure, the broom, the mop, and even the ladder are becoming relics of the past. If you're excited about the future of smart homes and robotics, hit that like button right now. Comment below and tell me which cleaning robot would you want in your home. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on futuristic gadgets, AI, and smart living technology. Because in 2026, clean homes don't need hard work, just smart robots.